Welcome. Today I'll be going to show you how you can log into your back office in Crowd1, and again you'll be able also to claim your weekly Crowd1 rewards. So let's go to a Crowd1 website, which is crowd1.com. Then on the top right you see we have register. This is for new members. Then on this other side we have login. Click on that. Then you'll be presented with this login page. You have to type your username. Let me type mine. Give me a minute to type that. Be sure that you make this secret, because this is your personal details. Then let's enter the password. Then we click the login button. Make sure that you remember your details. Let's do that again. Then make sure that you take this. Then if you're presented with this, just do as they tell you. That is okay. Click login. Then you are presented with your back office. In this page we will scroll down whereby we will claim our Crowd1 rewards. Here is where you will claim your weekly rewards. Let's click on that. Then let's click on claim now, and as you can see, I've claimed my Crowd1 rewards. Welcome, and see you in the next video.